Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Lab Life with Revati. We talk about beneficial interaction of microorganisms with human. More than million of microbes present in our gut health, and microbes are develop the immune system in the gut unity and produce vitamin and breakdown of carbohydrates. The microorganisms helps to develop the immune system, and then microorganisms helps to detoxify harmful chemicals, that means toxin substance converted into harmless. And then microorganisms present in our food also, that like bread, cheese and wine. Microorganisms are used to produce antibiotic and vaccination, that means microorganisms are artificially increased in our body. We go to talk about brief explanation of human microorganisms. First one, gut microbiome, that is million to trillion of beneficial bacteria present in our intestine, and then microbes are helps to digestion process and breakdown of complex carbohydrates and fibers, and then microbes are produce essential nutrients like vitamin K and B vitamins. And gut microbiome helps to regulate the immune system and protecting against harmful pathogens. That is a beneficial interaction of microbes in our gut. Skin microbiota is a mainly act as skin barrier that preventing the colonization of harmful microorganisms, and then helps to maintain the skin pH and supporting the immune response to infections. Probiotics are living microorganisms present in our food like yogurt, kefir and fermented product. They are helps to digestive health, restore the natural balance of gut bacteria, essentially after antibiotic uses. Next one is production of antibiotic and enzymes. Some of microorganisms like bacteria, fungi produce antibiotics, example penicillin, that are used to treat bacterial infection. And microorganisms also used biotechnology to production of enzyme for food productions, medicines and other industries. Immune system development. Everybody know about what is immune system development. They are microorganisms helps to train up immune system to distinguish between harmful and harmless agents, and then reduce the allergic and autoimmune disease. They are beneficial relationship highlight the important role of microorganisms play in maintaining human health. Next, we go to discuss about the harmful and beneficial microbial interaction with the humans. First one is beneficial interaction. Beneficial interaction also known as first gut microbiome. Gut microbiome is helps to lead digestive process and then vitamin productions and support the immune system. And then skin microbiota is a harmful microbes and containing skin health, and then go to probiotics, live microorganisms in food that present in gut health. Next one, harmful interaction, that is a produce mostly pathogenicity like some bacteria, virus or fungi causing infections. They are sometimes produce toxin in our body, damaging the tissue, trigger immune response. Third one is natural interaction, that is a commensalisms. That commensalisms is a type of relationship between two living microorganisms in which one's microorganisms benefit for the other without harming it. Next, we talk about harmful interaction of microorganisms with humans. First one is pathogenicity. They are involved bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoa. The bacteria is a produce harmful bacteria like Streptococcus, Escherichia coli, that is cause infection like pneumonia, strep throat and food poison. Next one is virus. Virus is a like influenza virus, HIV, SARS-CoV-2 and involve human cells lead to illness. And next, fungal pathogenicity is a candida and harmful, especially to those which weakened immune system. And then protozoa is a like plasmodium, and then malaria lead to several diseases transmitted by vectors. Second one is toxin production. Some bacteria produce toxins, same time damage tissue and organs such as Clostridium botulinum and Streptococcus aureus. And then endotoxins are released some of cell wall of certain bacteria, triggering inflammatory response that can lead to sepsis and organ failures. Third one is opportunistic infection. They are normally harmless bacteria such as Pseudomonas aeruginosa and Candida albicans can cause infection when the immune system is weakened. For example, during the cancer treatment or HIV infections. Fourth one is antibiotic resistance. Their misuse or overuse of antibiotics have lead to resistant strain of bacteria, and their resistant bacteria make infection harder to treat and increase the risk of several illness or death. Parasitic infection is a cause several health problem peoples, and especially in immunocompromised peoples. Parasitic infection is mostly produce pathogenicity in our body and lead to infection, disease, and sometimes life-threatening conditions. Next we go to natural interaction of microorganisms with human. First one is commensalism. Commensalism is a relationship between two living microorganisms on the human body without causing harm and benefit. Microbes coexist with the human without impact health. For example, Streptococcus epidermis commonly found on the skin but does not cause disease under the normal circumstances but can benefit for the natural and habitat provided skin. Next is a microbial presence in non-sterile area. Most of the microorganisms multiply in the non-sterile area such as mouth without cause disease. For example, non-pathogenic bacteria like Neisseria in the throat which do not typically interact with host unless condition changes. The mostly microorganisms involve natural interaction of the microbiota but do not influence health or disease unless environment or human conditions change. I hope you are all know about beneficial interaction of microorganisms in our human body.
Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel.
And then thank you for all.